So we had a problem with this vacuum type petcock. You can see it's been, first off, it's been leaking terribly for years by the look of it. The indicator plate here is all, looks terrible. And these mesh filter screens had a fair bit of sand or debris, which I've cleaned off now, but so we decided to put a gravity fed petcock on the tank. And it was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. I've just got a temporary fuel hose in here at the moment. It sort of zigzags back down and then into here. I'm going to make that a little bit neater. That's just a testing. And here's the vacuum side. All as I did was got a thick sort of screw and just turned all the way in. Goes all the way up to about here, I think. It's a pretty long one. And that stops the carby from sucking in through that side. Now, it was easy to do. All you do is just remove this screw here and this screw here. Obviously drain your tank first. I took the tank off, put it back on just to test it. But it was easy to order a new one in. All you needed to do, all as I did was measure from basically center to center of the holes, which was 35, I believe. And just for extra measurements, I just sort of measured outside to outside, which looks like about 55. And then the width of it as well, which was about 20 something, 24, 25 thick. And then I just typed 35mm petcock into eBay, and I found that gravity fed one there for $18 delivered, which was great value. So, but anyhow, that's how we replaced this quite easy and for very cheap, which is good. And this is a Suzuki 2000 model 500cc four-wheel drive. I just painted most of there's a lot of rust on the chassis. Painted all the diff. New tyre, got another new tyre to go onto there, haven't done that yet. But it's coming along nicely.